In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an architecture portfolio website in Wix. This will be a comprehensive guide to setting up a stunning online presence that truly represents your architectural style and skills. Let's start by focusing on the first essential aspect, knowing your audience. Before diving into the creation process, take a moment to consider who you want to attract with your portfolio. Is it potential clients, employers, or perhaps collaborators? Understanding what matters to these visitors will help you tailor your website to meet their expectations and needs effectively. Next, when it comes to choosing a website builder, not all are created equal, especially for architects who often require visually compelling layouts. Wix is a great choice due to its flexibility and design-centric features, allowing you to move beyond basic layouts and create an engaging user experience that complements your work beautifully. Another crucial step in establishing your online presence is selecting the right domain name. Your domain is essentially your digital handshake. Short, memorable, and representative of your brand identity. With Wix, searching for and securing a suitable domain name is straightforward, and they even offer a handy domain name generator if you're in need of inspiration. Once you've settled on a domain, it's important to choose hosting that supports the technical demands of your portfolio. Wix offers built-in hosting services that ensure your site runs smoothly, providing a hassle-free experience so you can focus more on design and content. Speaking of design, selecting a template that showcases your work is key. Wix offers a variety of templates specifically tailored for architects. Choose one that emphasizes your portfolio with ample space for high-quality imagery and organized project displays. Then customize it to reflect your personal style. Experiment with colors, fonts, and layouts to ensure your site stands out while maintaining professional aesthetics. Adding pages that highlight your projects and creative process provides depth to your portfolio. Each project can tell its own story, so include detailed descriptions, sketches, and photographs. Engaging content doesn't stop there. Consider adding a blog or section where you can discuss your approach, share insights, and connect more authentically with your audience. To ensure your website is easily discovered, it's vital to implement SEO strategies. Wix simplifies this with built-in SEO tools, helping your site rank better in search engine results so more people see your work. Before going live, make sure to test your website thoroughly. Preview it on both desktop and mobile devices, ensuring everything from image loading speed to overall layout responsiveness is perfect. Check all calls to action to make sure they function as intended. Finally, an architecture portfolio is not a static entity. To stay relevant and engaging, regularly update your site with new projects, blog posts, or news. Promote your portfolio through appropriate channels to reach a broader audience and continuously reflect the evolution of your skills and career. With these steps, you'll have a robust architecture portfolio that not only displays your work, but captivates and impresses your audience, positioning you as a leader in your field.